Every day we wire buildings and facilities that are lasting and serve our community for a really long time. We wire data centers that are the backbone of the internet. We wire residential units where families live and where they raise their children at. We provide stable power to the hospitals where surgical suites are and where babies are born.
They depend on us to have their power and lights to operate their businesses, and that's what we do.
It's always fascinated me to walk into a building and turn a light switch on and watch the light come on.
It's a great feeling being part of the community, being a partner on the major hospital projects.
Your work really means something to the community.
What I love about this company, it's like one big family. Everybody truly does care about one another.
We work hard to provide you a roadmap to succeed.
And they strive every single day to find a better way, do the right thing, and work safely, day in, day out.
Safety means making sure that everybody goes home to their families the way they came to work that day, and doing everything possible to ensure the well-being of our employees.
What I describe to others about Cummings is a very unique culture. Not only one you can grow in your career personally, but also professionally.
Coming to Cummings right out of school has been my best decision.
Here we have a great mentor-mentee process where we actually take you and put you one-on-one with somebody who's experienced.
Finding a mentor, as well as finding other roles outside of yours for a different perspective.
I'm surrounded by a lot of people with experience, and it's good to have them to lean on throughout my career.
Cummings is really good at fostering these relationships.
We're a leader of the industry, and we're really innovative.
It's our technology and our innovation that sets us apart from the rest of the industry, that allows us to provide a great finished product for our customers.
Given our industry has become such a fast-paced industry and schedule is such a very important thing in what we do, we're often tasked with finding a better way.
Some of our best ideas come from guys in the field who aren't afraid to think outside of the box.
Doing the right thing means planning your work and doing your job right the first time.
It's having a good moral compass, exceeding expectations to ourselves, our clients, and our customers.
The culture here in Cummings is being a brother's keeper, is looking out for one another, and treating each other like family.
You can tell they genuinely care about their employees. It's way better than my last job. I hang out with them after work, we golf, we hunt, we fish, we have a good time.
It's fun, it's different, it's like an adventure every day.
We offer our employees a fun family environment, a strong culture of support and leadership development, and the proper resources to succeed.
There's always going to be opportunities because electricity is needed everywhere. And there's a great potential for making good money if you make this your career for life.
To succeed in this industry, you have to have a get-it-done attitude, be punctual, and show up ready to work.
Determination, hard work, knowing where you want to go, educating yourself on how to get there. Cummings Electrical makes this all possible.
Here at Cummings, we want every employee to be a true believer, somebody who wants to do the right thing, even when nobody's watching.
Not just because it's written down somewhere, it's a policy or something they've been asked to do. They do it because they really want to do it.
We are going to give you the opportunity to grow your skills, to learn the trade, to build yourself up in this industry, and to provide a future that's more than just a job.
More than a job means not being an average electrician.
Cummings Electrical has supported my career in many different ways, from an apprenticeship program at IEC to various high-level training classes.
I graduated from independent electrical contractors. Cummings helped me with that, and I'm really excited for what's in my future.
I started with not a lot of experience, and I've quickly moved into a PE role.
When I first started, I had no electrical experience, and now I'm a superintendent.
In just 3 years, I went from a helper to a supervisor.
I started as an apprentice, and after 5 years, I'm a supervisor.
I was fortunate enough to be able to start very early in my career here and be able to work myself into a leadership position with Cummings.
I'm now a pre-construction manager and a part of a team that wins multi-million-dollar projects for the company.
It's a tremendous opportunity for us all, and it's a very good way for us to be a part of something bigger than just ourselves.
As the company grows, you grow with it.
We're safe, we train our people, and have better opportunities.
And what's gotten me up every morning is watching those people I've grown with take advantage of those opportunities.
It doesn't matter where you come from. You can start from the bottom and work your way up.
From estimating multi-million-dollar projects to doing CAD and BIM layouts
to being an IT technician.
The opportunity for advancement is fantastic.
This is more than a job, it's a career.
If you're looking for a new career, Cummings is a great place to start.
If you're interested in making the impossible become reality, then Cummings is a great place to start.
If you're the type of person who wants to be involved with the growth of a company and planning out how we do things, then Cummings is the place that you'd want to come to work.
For the rest of our lives, we get to drive around and look at the facilities we've been involved in, see how they serve the community and how important they are. This is our legacy. It can be yours too.
It's an investment in your time, it's an investment in your career, and it's a personal investment in you.
We work hard every day to build this great city. What we need is for you to join our team and help us do that job.